Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Big update for CAT aspirants. The CAT 2025 result is officially out. If you have appeared for CAT this year and you are confused about where to check your result, how to download your CAT scorecard, what details are mentioned in the scorecard and what you should do after the CAT result, then this video is extremely important for you. So watch this video till the end because I am going to explain everything step by step in a very simple way. So the Indian Institute of Management, which conducted CAT 2025, that is IIM Kozhikode, has officially released the CAT 2025 result on the official website, that is iimcat.ac.in. So candidates can now log in using their user ID and password and download their official CAT 2025 scorecard. Remember, CAT result is released online only. No hard copy will be sent by post or email. The scorecard is available in PDF format. Now let's come to the most important part, that is how to check your result. So step 1 is visit the official website, open your browser and go to www.iimcat.ac.in. This is the only official website to check your CAT result. Then step 2 is click on the result link. On the home page you will see a link saying CAT 2025 scorecard or login to download CAT 2025 result. Click on this. Now you will be redirected to the login page. Enter your user ID or application number, password, CAPTCHA code, then click on login. Use the same login details you used during CAT application. Now after successful login, your CAT 2025 scorecard will appear on the screen. You can now check your sectional scores, check your overall percentile, click on the download scorecard, then save the PDF on mobile, laptop, email or Google Drive. Also take 2 to 3 printouts for future admission processes. So if you are unable to log in, don't panic. On the login page only, click on forgot user ID or password. Then follow the steps, enter your registered email ID or mobile number, verify OTP and reset your password. Then log in again and download your scorecard. Now let's understand what information you will see in your CAT 2025 scorecard. So your course card will show the candidate's name, registration number, category, test date and slot. Then section wise scale score, that is VRC, DLR and quantitative aptitude. Then section wise percentile, overall scale score and overall percentile. Here the important thing to be noted is percentile, it is not a raw score, is used for a MBA admission. This scorecard will require during IIM calls and other B schools application also. Now the biggest question students ask is my CAT percentile good enough? So let me tell you, if your percentile are more than 99 plus percentile, in that case old IIMs are possible with strong profile. Then if it ranges in between 95 to 98 percentile, new IIMs, IITs and top private colleges are possible. If it is in between 90 to 94 percentile, you can target baby IIMs and some good private business school. Then if your percentile ranges in between 85 to 89 percentile, tier 2 MBA colleges are possible. And if it is below 85 percentile, still options available, don't lose hope. Remember, IIM selection is not based only on your CAT percentile. There are various factors which plays a very important role like profile, academics, work experience, diversity, everything matters. Now after downloading your CAT result, your next step should be shortlist the colleges based on your CAT percentile, then check IIM cutoffs, check non-IIM colleges which accept the CAT score. Now IIMs will release shortlist and interview calls. For some IIMs you need to apply separately, so you need to check with that also. Start preparing for the personal interview, work on current affairs, academics, work experience answers. So your group discussion, VAT and personal interview matters a lot in the overall selection process. Now there are some top non-IIMs also for which you need to apply separately. Like there are many top business schools like IITs, IMI, then IMT, MDI Gurgaon, SPJMR Mumbai, which is profile based shortlisting. So these all colleges accept the CAT score. For this also you need to apply separately. The most important thing is do not edit the scorecard PDF. Do not share login credentials. Keep scorecard safe till admission process ends and use only official websites for updates. So yes, this is all about the CAT 2025 result and now the real MBA journey begins. Comment below your CAT percentile, like this video if it helped you, subscribe to the channel. If you have any more doubts, any queries, that also you can drop me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you all the best for your MBA journey.